Hello students, in the previous video we have completed third sum, that was subtraction. Now fourth sum is find the value of first part is 1 upon 2 of 10 kg. So of means multiply. So once we will write 1 upon 2 of 10 kg as it is. Now if any number is divisible, we will divide that like 2 5s are 10. So 5 1 the 5 kg. The answer is 5 kg. For of we will treat as multiply. So 2 5 is the 10. Answer is 5 kg. Now second part, 3 upon 5 of 1 r. So you can see we cannot put 5 or 1 both the numbers. So it is better to convert 1 hour into minutes. So 3 upon 5 of 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So now we can divide 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5, then the remainder is 1. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. Now no number is left to divide and we cannot divide 3 for the 12 because they are in multiply. So 12 3s are 36 minutes. So the answer is 36 minutes. Come to the third part. 4 upon 7 of 2 whole 1 upon 3 kg. So first we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 4 upon 7 of 3 to the 6 1 7, 7 upon 3 kg. There is no need to convert because answer is coming more than 1. So 7 1 the 7. Any number is divisible? No number. So 4 1 the 4 upon 3 kg. We can convert this into mixed fraction. It means 1 whole 1 upon 3 kg. That is the answer. Now come to the fourth part. 5 upon 11 of 4 upon 11 of 22 kilogram. So you can see 11 2s are 22. Any number is divisible. 11 2s are 22. No number is divisible. So 5 for the 20. 22s are 40 upon 11 kilogram. So we can convert this improper fraction into mixed. So 11 3s are 33. So 3 whole 7 upon 11 kg is the answer. Listen. 5 upon 11 or 4 upon 11 of 22 kg. So 11 to the 22, they both are divisible. So 5 for the 20, 22 to the 40 upon 11 kg. So we can convert into mix. So after converting into mix, it is coming 3 whole 7 upon 11 is the answer. Now students, fifth sum. Simplify and reduce to a simple fraction. So first part is 3 upon 3 whole 3 upon 4. So they are in divide and main divide is this. So 3 is numerator, 3 whole 3 upon 4 is in denominator. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 upon this one is main divide and convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. So 3 this divide, main divide changes into multiply and reciprocal of this denominator fraction. So 15 upon 4 means 4 upon 15. Reciprocal of 15 upon 4, 4 upon 15. So 3 1 the 3, 3 5s are 15. Any other number is divisible? No number is divisible. So 4 1 the 4 upon 5. And this fraction is proper fraction. We cannot convert into mixed. So the answer is 4 upon 5. Next, second part. 3 upon 5. They are proper fraction. So 3 upon 5 main divide is this it changes into multiply and reciprocal of 7, 1 upon 7. So 3 upon 5 multiply reciprocal of 7, 1 upon 7. Now see, any number is divisible. No number is divisible. So 3 1 the 3, 7 5 the 35. So the answer is 3 upon 5. Move to the third part. They both numerator and denominator are in mid. So first we will convert into improper fraction. So 5 to the 10 and 1, 11 upon 5. Upon 10 1 the 10 and 1, 11 upon 10. Now 11 upon 5, this divide changes into multiply. Reciprocal of 11 upon 10 means 10 upon 11. So 5 2s are 10, 11 1 the 11. So the answer is 2 1 the 2. Next, fourth part. One thing is new in this question. Of is new. So in this part, first we will convert mixed to improper and rest we will write as it is. So 2 upon 5 or 6 upon 11 multiply 4 1 the 4 and 1, 5 upon 4. So now first we will solve off. We will solve these sums according to board marks. So in board marks, according to this sum, off is coming first. So first we will solve off, means this much portion. If any number is divisible, we will divide. If not, we will do the multiply. So 6 2s are 12, 11 5s are 55, multiply 5 upon 4. Now we will solve this much portion. So 4 3s are 12, 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5. So now no number is divisible. 3 1 the 3 upon 11. So the answer is 3 upon 11. Fourth part. 1 upon 3. This mixed fraction we will change into improper. So 14 upon 3 divide 3 to the 6 1 7 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2. According to the word mass, brackets are not here. Off is also not present. After off, divide is there between these two. So first we will solve this much portion. Rest we will write as it is. So 1 upon 3 multiply 14 upon 3. This divide changes into multiply. So reciprocal of 7 upon 2, 2 upon 7 multiply 1 upon 2. So we can divide 2 1 the 2, 7 2 the 14. We cannot cut these 3 1 the 3 because they both are in denominator and are in multiply. Now any other number is divisible? No number is divisible. So 2 1 the 2, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 2 upon 9. Now students, fifth sum, sixth part. That is 1 upon 2 of 3 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 2 divide 2 upon 3. So once we will write as it is 1 upon 2 of 3 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 2 divide 2 upon 3. So first we will solve off. So no number is divisible. 3 1 the 3, 2 4 the 8. Multiply 1 upon 2 divide 2 upon 3. Now we will solve divide. So this divide is present. So 3 upon 8 multiply 1 upon 2 divide changes into multiply reciprocal of 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2. Now see, if any number is divisible, divide it. 3 here 8, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2. No number is divisible. So 3 1 the 3, 3 3 is 9. 8 2 the 16, 16 2 the 32. Here also we can check whether 9 upon 32 is in lowest term or simplest form or not. So 9 upon 32 is in simplest form. Answer is 9 upon 32. Is sixth sum. A bowl 3 whole 3 upon 4 kg of wheat and 2 whole 1 upon 2 kg of rice. Find the total weight of wheat and rice bowl. So weight of wheat. What what is the weight of wheat? Is equal to 3 whole 3 upon 4 kg. Then weight of rice is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 2 kg. So total weight of wheat and rice is equal to addition of both. So 3 whole 3 upon 4 plus 2 whole 1 upon 2 kg. We will write only one time after second fraction. So 4 3 is 10, 15 upon 4 plus 3 to the 4 1 5 upon 2 kg. Now we will take the LCM. LCM will come 4. So 4 1 the 4, 1 15 the 15 plus 2 2 the 4, 2 5 the 10. So 10 kg. Now addition of these two, 15 plus 10, 25 upon 4 kg. It means 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg is the answer. Now students, see 7 sum, which is greater, 3 upon 5 or 7 upon 10, and how much? So to identify that which fraction is greater, in that denominator should be same. So 3 upon 5 or 7 upon 10, denominators are not same. So first we will make the denominators same. 3 upon 5 or 7 upon 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. So by which number we will multiply 5? That will come 10. So multiply by 2. Here also by 2. So 3 to the 6. 5 to the 10. Now 7 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon 10 multiply by which number we will multiply 10? That will come 10. So by 1. So multiplying both, 7 1 the 7, 10 1 the 10. So 6 upon 10 or 7 upon 10. So which number is greater? 7 is greater. It means 6 upon 10 less than 7 upon 10. We have to tell between these two fractions, not these two. So 3 upon 5 less than 7 upon 10. It means 7 upon 10 is greater. We have to find by how much. So how we will find? See, 7 upon 10 is greater minus 3 upon 5. By doing this subtraction we can find how much 7 upon 10 is greater. So we will take the LCM, it will come 10. So 10 1 the 10, 1 7 the 7. 5 2 the 10, 2 3 the 6. So 7 minus 6, 1 upon 10. So now we will write 7 upon 10 is greater by 1 upon 10. 7 upon 10 is greater by 1 upon 10. Now move to the 8th sum. What should be subtracted from 8 whole 3 upon 4 to get 2 whole 2 upon 3? So let the required number be x. So from which number we have to subtract x? From this number. So we will make one equation like 8 whole 3 upon 4 subtract what we have to subtract? X. What we have to subtract? X. To get is equal to 2 whole 2 upon 3. So now we will find the value of x. Minus x is equal to, it is of subtract, minus x, negative x is here. So we will write negative x. 2 whole 2 upon 3. This one is positive. Move to RHS, change it into negative. So minus 8 whole 3 upon first we will convert this into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 1, 6 and 2, 8 upon 3. 8 for the 32 and 3, 35 upon 4. So minus x is equal to, LCM will come 12. 3 for the 12, 4 8s are 32 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 multiply 35, it means 105. So minus x is equal to, we will subtract this, we will get 3 and 7 minus 73 upon 12. Because 105 is greater, having minus sign. So minus 73 upon 12. So minus 2 minus cancel. X is equal to 73 upon 12. 1c, 73 and 12 are divisible by any same number. If not divisible, convert into mixed. So 6 whole 1 upon 12. And in last, we will write therefore required number is equal to, required number is equal to 6 whole 1 upon 12 is the answer. Now students, ninth sum. A rectangular field is 16 whole 1 upon 2 meter long and 12 whole 2 upon 5 meter wide. Length is given, breadth is also given. Find the perimeter of the field. We have to find the perimeter of the field. Field is in this shape, rectangular. So perimeter of the field. Perimeter of rectangular field. We will use the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Formula is 2l plus b. 2 bracket length plus breadth. So 2 length is given, that is 16 whole 1 upon 2 meter. Breadth is also given, 12 whole 2 upon 5 meter. So after putting the values, 2 bracket 16 whole 1 upon 2 meter plus 12 whole 2 upon 5 meter. So first, according to the board marks, first we will solve brackets. So 2, first we will solve mixed to improper. So it will come 33 upon 2 plus 62 upon 5 meter. So 2, take the LCM, it will come 10. 2 5s are 10, then 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and 1 16 plus 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12 meter. So 2 multiply, open the bracket also in this step and do the sum. So 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 and 1, 2. So 289 upon 10 meter. So 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So what is coming? 289 upon 5 meter. We can convert this into mix. So we will write 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. 39. 5 7s are 35. Remainder is 4. So 4 upon 5. So after converting into mix, it is coming is 7 whole 4 upon 5 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.